I've been super duper pleasantly surprised with the combination I've been doing lately of silver as the background and black as my swipe, but this time I thought I'm going to try the same thing, but I'm going to do Mica Oxide on part of the background and then do a swipe of black over it so it feels a little more landscapey. We'll try it, we'll see how it goes. Alright, I got my landscape set up and I'm going to pop some air bubbles really quick. Then we will do a black swipe along that horizon line. And we'll see what happens. Wow, that was a lot of black. Let's hope it sort of settles. It was more black than I intended. And a little bit too much of that remains. I might have to tilt it a little bit, but I'm going to give it a second. This is lovely, so maybe a second swipe in this direction might give it some variety, and maybe I won't let it drip and then it'll be even more variety in that area. I love the lacing that happens with the black and the silver. I wish the camera picked up the metallic shimmer of these paints a little more. It probably looks white to you, but this is not white. This is iridescent silver, carbon black, Mica Oxide. Pop some air bubbles while I'm waiting for it to settle. Well, I think I'm glad I gave it time to settle because I'm happy with it now, and I'm happy with that solid Mica Oxide area there. I'm tempted to tilt it just because there's a thin canvas showing through there on the edge, but I think I could more easily just touch that up with some paint once it dries, since it is a solid color. Rather, I don't want to lose that or that. I don't want to lose these little areas, although they might sink with time, but it's nice, and I think I'm gonna leave it. I've had some luck lately with these metallics with black. I'm really digging it.